So they are using it as a strategy, political strategy, to do what? To reduce the youth from the eastern region, from the southeast, to stop them, so that the power of force, are you getting it, will be radically reduced. Excuse me, if it's working, if things are working fine in the military, why is it that the Nigerian military, those that have opportunity to jackpot, why are they jackpotting? If things were well organized and things are going well, in the military, why are they jackpotting? People going to UK, people going to even Ukraine, where there is war. Nigerian army is going there. They prefer going there. Ekpa is 100% right. Someone Ekpa is 100% right. They say Sambisa forest, or what is it called? The Sambisa forest, there is no forest there, in case you don't know. It is a political name, a political word. There is no forest in Sambisa forest. It's an open grazing land. It's an open land. Very open.
So you said there's no forest?
No forest. Go and do your verification very well. They will only carry Nigerian soldiers in the name of Sambisa forest to Uganda. They will carry them. They will tell the Boko Haram. Don't you know that Sambisa forest is a political place whereby Nigerian politicians are using it to trade with the lives of Nigerian armies? And they will select them from the west here, especially from the east. Carry them and in the name of fighting Boko Haram, and they will tell Boko Haram, these people are coming, Boko Haram will go and hide. They will carry them and come openly. Boko Haram will take them unaware. They will come from the behind and slaughter all of them. They are using it to reduce the youth of the southeast. They are using it to reduce the strength of the southeast. They are using it to reduce the army, because they know that those people are going to be the one that will wear that army, the military, this thing, when Biafra comes. So they are using it as a strategy, political strategy, to do what? To reduce the youth from the eastern region, from the southeast, to stop them, so that the power of force, are you getting it, will be radically reduced. So that in case of incasity, because they knew it, that a time will come whereby something like this jet fight or whatsoever, like war, may come up, so that the easterners may not have the people. Are you getting it? The forces, the people, the energy, the resources in a manpower. Are you getting it? To be able to face it, to stand and encounter them. So they are using that system. So I am using this opportunity to tell every southeast man and woman not to do what? Don't sign. Most southeast, south. Please don't join anything called Uniform Nigeria. Once you wear that cloth, you are wearing a garment of death. You are wearing grave. We are call it graveyard garment, clothes. You know, say when person die, there is, if you want to enter grave, the cloth where you wear different from the one where you go wear enter grave. So that one is a graveyard garment. They should not wear it. They should not put it on. They should okay, now listen to me and listen good. Do you know that before, why I'm telling you this was that I have a friend, including my very self here. Back in the years, that we ask you, who is your father? To join the military. And if you eventually have connection, because they work by connection, and you say you join, the opposition, they will not give you your rightful position, because you are not a Fulani. Are you getting it? And that is why you have so many generals that are, you see their name Ibrahim, you see their name Musa, you see their name Buba, you see their name Guba, you see their name Gumi, you see their name Eshadai, Kahai. You know, you see those names, but you will not see one. You will not see Ikemba. You will not see Ikechukwu. How many of them are there?
Nwachukwu is the top, army general.
After that, name another person you know. But I've mentioned many that are here. Mention many. Even some of them that come that have that position before, they have retired them.
But yet what Nwachukwu said. He said IPOP is deceiving.
Hello, excuse me, that is political statement. Are you getting it? So that he himself will let it not be as if is part of the IPOB. He just throw that one. Make it no be sound, no talk. I talk. He himself knows, even for him to get to that position, if he can tell himself truth, he knows that it's not easy. He knows that
he did the right thing. Maybe he was working hard, he did the right thing, got promotion.
Hello, excuse me. I say that is political statement. That is the right thing you should say. So long as still partner with them with that garment of death. You understand? You must say something. Excuse me. Are you expecting him to say something opposite of them or negative against them? No, he must speak what they want to hear from him. That is what the Nigerian army want to hear from him. And that is what he has said. Are you getting it? And then let me tell you, I believe in action. Him, Nwachukwu, that is advising people from the southeast, the youth, to come and join army. How many of his children is in Nigerian army? How many of his children is in Nigeria as I speaks to you? How many of them are in this country? How many of them are facing what you are facing here? That's the question. Before you ask me to come and join army, your son first, your family, your children first, let them come and carry that gun and face the war first. If they go, come back, then I will follow. Then I will come and carry. But whereby you send them out, they are in a safer place, then you come here and say, I should come and die. You carry gun first, go. If you come back, I will come. I will follow you for back. That is what they want to hear. And that is what he has said to them. Are you hearing me? So I use this opportunity again to discourage Southeast youth again. Never, 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 no matter how much they want to give you, they want to use you as a sacrificial lamb.
But for some that are desperate, you know, because of they don't have job and you know, they need something to feed their family. So you tell them not to, you know, when they
excuse me.
What of those that have the dream of becoming military, you know, for a very long time and they got the opportunity now, you are telling them not to join. Do you think?
Hello.
Do you think they will listen to your advice?
Do you know that for your information, as it is now, Nigerian military doesn't have value. They don't have value again. They have sold their respect. They are nothing again. So I will advise them to wait. If they want to wear uniform, uniform is coming. Uniform that you will wear, you have respect. Uniform that you will wear all over the world. When they see you, they respect you and they recognize you. Do you know that Nigerian military has nothing? Excuse me, if things are working fine in the military, why is it that the Nigerian military, those that have opportunity to jackpot, why are they jackpotting? If things were well organized and things are going well, in the military, why are they jackpotting? People going to UK, people going to even Ukraine where there is war. Nigerian army is going there. They prefer going there. In a place where there is war, going to different, they prefer living Nigeria, just living Nigeria. Do you know what that is? Now they are telling the East to come and join. Before they will tell you because you are from Igbo. When they do screening finish, they will scrap your name through away. Because once they say Ikechukwu, Nwabueze, Chigozie, Ikenna, Ogbonna. When they begin hear those names, Yoruba go say Anwomo Igbo, Orori Brukuniwa. This one, the other one go say Anyamiri Shege Banza. Then go throw away for one corner, carry their own brother, come inside and carry a gun, give her. They are threatening Eastern people. But now, the game is over.
As a Dogoma had been making mouth boasting, but now the military have come to challenge him. That if Dogoma is a man, now which means a man, not the truth. The insult as Dogoma sought we, the Igbos, sought to Biafra, sought to nnamdikanu, insult to someone ekpa, because we follow him until we insult the people that can be able to deal with him. We don't have power. Our God will fight for us.
Do you think Asari Dokubo was wrong or right to have said that? And at the same time, should the military be trading words with Asari Dokubo?
You see, the evil that men did, we live after them. But I am not praying that the evil as Dokubo should live after him. Because the evil of Asikubo, if you should live after him, it may be his children will be reaping it. They have gone and don't know what is happening. But I am praying that the evil of Asikubo should live with him now, so that we receive the fruit of the seed they have sowed. So that's what I'm saying. Now, Asikubo have been making mouth boasting, but now the military have come to challenge him. That if Asikubo is a man, now which means a man, not a troop, not army, not a group. Asikubo, if he's a man, come and fight me on a battlefield. Okay, if Nigerian army will face Asikubo as a man, how many troops are they going to bring? As a man, which means it seems that Asikubo is more than Nigerian army. That's why they say, come and face me on a battlefield. But if Nigerian army will come to fight Asikubo, I would like it to be like a Goliath and David. You know, the Philistines came out and present Goliath as their army general. Then they call Saul, say, bring any person in the camp of Israel to come and represent Israel as their warrior, as Philistines have present Goliath as their warrior. Saul was afraid. Saul did not come, he did not send anybody. Until the appointed man of God, the anointed man of God, the warrior of warriors among human beings, David come out and the challenge Goliath. And they say, whosoever won, let his people be lord over the people that lose the battle. Fortunately, David won Goliath, cut the Goliath head off, and the Philistines were subdued under Israel. So this is an example of what I want Asikubo and Nigerian army to be. Let Nigerian army head, because not government of Nigeria challenge Asikubo. It was a department in Nigerian government challenge Asikubo. So let that department, which is army, let them come out, bring their leader, bring their overall head as their general or captain or warrior to come and face Asikubo. Asikubo is representing not the whole rivers. Asikubo is representing his men, Asaware, that he used to bring to Imo State to come and kill. Let them come to the battlefield, and that the battlefield will be Imo State, because Imo State call Asikubo for help. Governor of Imo State call Asikubo for help to kill the indigenous people of Imo State, and the governor of Imo State do call Nigerian army to come and kill the indigenous people of Imo State. Therefore, this of them can be the mediator or moderator or referee between them. Let the Imo State be the battleground, and let the Imo State house be the ring, be the battlefield. Imo State house be the battlefield.
Imo State where Masai Dokubo commits his crimes, or how will I put it?
No, because river people now may reject Asikubo, say he want to bring army, but Nigerian army have already been in Imo State, and Asikubo already operating in Imo State. So let the state house, Imo State house, to be the battlefield, so that those of them can be able to supervise it well. Let them come there and fight. Let me know this mouth Asikubo has.
But what Asai Dokubo said, what he said, was it disrespectful? Because for the army to have come out and replied him, did they feel hurt as regards what Asai Dokubo said, as regards, you know, in bringing that? Was it bad as Asai Dokubo said? Is it bad for him to say that he can bring out the two fighter jets, you know, over and over? This is not a bad
why Asikubo said, Army said, come now and bring the jet down. You understand what I'm telling to you? Now, they will take all the whole anger what they are passing in Imo State, and tear Asikubo like where vulture tear the dead nama, dead carcass. They will chop Asikubo like where hyena eat carcass. I'm telling you honestly, Asikubo is passing his boundary. And the nemesis of what Asidokobo have done to Igbo people, nemesis, what the cause Asidokobo have caused someone ekpa, nnamdikanu, will be falling on Asidokobo. He will surely enter trap. This is the beginning of Asidokobo falling. Now they are falling log ahead because now federal governments or Nigerian that have come out to challenge Asidokobo because they have seen that Asidokobo is no more useful to them. They have seen that Asidokobo in time working for them and the federal government of Nigeria is expiring. This is what they come out to challenge him. That's another thing. This is what they come out to challenge him. And a whole Nigerian army challenging an individual is not a disgrace to Nigerian army. Challenging an individual. That's why I say let it be one-on-one. Let the head of Nigerian army and Asidokobo come out and do the fighting and let us see. Let the head of Nigerian army or whosoever come out and let him and Asidokobo fight. Let me see whether that hippopotamus Asidokobo carry, whether Asidokobo will use it to push the man down, or the man will use a long hand to punch Asidokobo face. Now it's a funny thing. Asidokobo is fed up with government of Nigeria. Government of Nigeria is fed up with Asidokobo. This is why you see all these things are coming out. You understand? I am telling you, that very day, Asidokobo said that the helicopter operator at the Robin River State is Nigerian Army helicopter officer jet. Had even they drop money as a bomb, Asidokobo will hail them and praise them. Yeah, they are the right men. They come to do the right job. Had even they drop money, bags of money as a bomb, Asidokobo will be hailing them up to now. He don't see to hit again. He's challenging his master, and the master are fed up of him. He's not more functioning well. They come out to challenge him. You see what is going on there? No weapon fashioned against my people shall prosper. God will set their head in loggerhead. God will set them in loggerhead. Jam their head together. They'll be fighting and killing themselves. You see, now the genesis of the problem between Asidokobo and the government. If Nigeria will stand against Asidokobo, government will stand against him. Is it Tinubu that they haven't sought? Is it Tinubu that they haven't given insult? Who is Asidokobo friend?
It was one of the people that canvassed for Tinubu even during the court proceedings. When Peter Abia and Atiku took Tinubu to court. We saw Asidokobo brought his own people, his own men, to the court. We saw what they did at the Supreme Court. When they were in court. He's a strong Tinubu supporter.
Yes, he's a strong Tinubu supporter. But look at those people that supported Tinubu. Are they not denouncing him now? Asidokobo may join them to denounce him because all of them don't see to eat. They thought that if Tinubu enter, he will every month he will dish money for them for one bed. And they're not seeing one bed anymore. They go against Tinubu because that's their target. Even his Yoruba people, are they not doing campaigning against him? But the people who they say did not vote for Tinubu, the Igbos, the Biafrans, are the one who stand solid with the Tinubu now. Say Tinubu, we will never protest against you. Tinubu will never protest against you. Look at those people that are protesting against Tinubu are his supporters. So Asidokobo can protest against Tinubu. Asidokobo can go against Tinubu because now his belly is empty. No grass again to chop. For that his stomach, cows, hippopotamus stomach. Nothing there again. Therefore, he open mouth, blah 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 blah, challenging Nigerian government. And Nigerian government, they themselves are not ashamed. They want to come out to the public and wash and spread their pants. They haven't washed by saying, "Come, let us go fight. Come, let us go fight." God will set confusion in their midst. The insult, as Asidokobo sought we, the Igbos, sought to Biafra, sought to nnamdikanu, insult to someone ekpa, because we follow him until we insult the people that can be able to deal with him. We don't have power. Our God will fight for us. So if you're telling me that Britain hand is not in nnamdikanu kidnapping, and the way nnamdikanu is staying now, if Britain is not behind the Nigerian government to keep nnamdikanu, I will tell you, say, completely lie. Because Britain will never jeopardize their world commerce and trade in Nigeria. They will never jeopardize it. Although Nigeria have mortgaged so many things that they call national resources. They mortgage it. Maybe they did not give Britain or they give them. I don't know. Now that you know that nnamdikanu will be out, is it now that the condition of nnamdikanu is paining you? Is it now that nnamdikanu, you know that nnamdikanu has son? The son is in pain.
You should please, interfere and intercede as regards nnamdikanu release. That UK, they are known to be a country that fight for justice and fairness. That they should please release the husband. That the son is dying in pains. What is your reply as regards this?
I am Mr. Para, the new Okokondem.
Okay, sorry.
You see, Uchechi coming up now to say is pleading to British Prime Minister, British government to intervene in nnamdikanu case. Good morning, Uchechi, Oku, Kano. Good morning. Your day have break now. Is it now that you know that nnamdikanu will be out? Is it now that the condition of nnamdikanu is paining you? Is it now that you know that nnamdikanu has son? The son is in pain. Uchechi, 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 because your game have failed. Because you, DOS, the late Ifanye Oba, Ifanye Jofo, and Asidukubo, your plan have failed. Then you try to make a U-turn. Are you not the one who said in the time of Buhari administration that all the people that are fighting for your husband to come out, they should mind their own business, they should leave their husband alone? Where your husband is good. Your husband is living better off more than those people. Is it now that your husband is in pain? Is it that you know that your husband have to come out because death has God did not allow death to take your husband away? I mean, you call her your husband, I call her Onyendu. I call him Onyendu Nnamdikanu. Which son that is in pain? Which son that is in pain? Now that you know that the son is in pain, when you join hand and betray him, can you swear, sincerely come out and say you don't know what happened to Nnamdikanu and the detention is in now? Don't you know here when Asidukubo said that he followed the people that are kidnapping Nnamdikanu, arrange for the kidnapping of Nnamdikanu and come to his place? Now you want to change overnight to become angel because all your secrets have been exposed. Because Biafran Prime Minister have been exposing you. Your deed have been exposing you. Your sin have start coming to find you out. Now you are trying to say British government. Is it today? Why can't you call British government? Even the time when Queen was alive. Why can't you call them? Now that it looks like the table is turning around for the favor of Nnamdikanu. Make it that will come out now to stand. If you want Nnamdikanu to come out, why are you not in an agreement with a lawyer Jimako? Who is fighting tooth and nail with his own team? Compromising Maxwell Okpara and others, which I cannot remember their name. Why can't you be in good time with them for the release of your husband? But you went and pally with those people that plan and kidnap your husband. They are the good people. You go to Radio Biafra, start foaming up, jumping up, speaking nonsense. Now you know that nnamdikanu will come out. It seems that the law of karma is coming against you. You better openly come out and confess. Make public confession to know whether the gods of the land will forgive you and God in heaven will forgive you. Because I think now the compound of Oku Carlo is working against you. That's why I say, my husband, British help. Why can't you go and call Kenya that kidnap, let the kidnap Nnamdikanu to hell?